Quick update on the no start of the Cadillac STS-V here. Still not starting, but we're pretty sure we got this narrowed down to where the problem is. In the fuse box here, which the lid is loose. Clips appear to be broken. Underneath almost every one of these fuses, there's a lot of green corrosion. I believe this got wet at some point in time. Try and wiggle one of these up here. I don't know how well that shows in the video. See that green and brown. Also on the bottom of our relay here. And almost every single relay and connection we pulled up here all has that also. I believe water compromised this box. Sometimes as we pull relays in and out, the dash will turn on and off, the wipers will go crazy. I believe this got wet at some point in time. We ordered a new one. I will update once we install it, let you know if that fixed the no start issue.